Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a running pose, foreshortened running pose as seen from the back. So if you have your pencils all set, I googled an image and I think that I'm going to do something along those lines, and I think it will be an ideal practice. So we'll get the shoulder set here. So as I said, like foreshortening involved. So shoulder set, torso, like the lower part of the torso is somewhere around here. And then we have one thigh somewhat like that, and a foot there, and then another foot somewhere there. So it might not be fully visible. We'll see how this goes. So deltoids around here, and then we will do the arm placements as we go along. So now the best way to flesh this out, we're going to put in the upper back right there, and then we just come back down, get the thigh, knee is around here, so calf area right there, shin, give it a curvature. If these legs are exposed here, give it a curvature, it looks better. Heel, and then we go and put the foot down as we say. Then the other thigh, so it's actually behind that, it would have gone like this, and there is the calf and shin, and the other foot going. So the thing is that we are showing the surface going like that, so the foot, everything has to go like, either like that. So we are placing the foot at that angle, heel, and the ankles. Heel is here, and there's the other foot. And now we can do a few things with this. The head in this case, so I would just imagine it would be somewhere here like that. Not an essential highly detailed head, just a head right there. So now I'm first going to set this core framework a bit more clearly with a pen, so that we can see past the confusing lines and details of what we have ended up with. Okay, and now we can do a few things with this. So we can actually, it's a lot of fun drawing this pose. So the arms, now essentially they would be like that. This could be shown a little larger. So that's one thing, or you could have this arm just going that way. So you know, when we run, the arm is like in front, also very natural. That, or and this arm here, you could also place here. Maybe you could show this as a hand. If it is to be like a sprinting pose. And one more thing that we can do with this. So if you don't like the foot, like, you know, right in the face here, that it's like, you know, coming, it's actually very dynamic this way. And it's an often tried angle when it comes to like different popular media and, you know, depicting action poses. But you could also go like that. But either way, if you're like either that foot or this one, in this pose there will be foreshortening, but you could just make a different dynamic there. So a smaller foot in that angle, because it's a little farther pushed back there, and you could just go like that. So shin area and the thigh going like that, and then of course this leg would get to shine in its entirety. But you could also place this leg further back. So I'm just going through all these things because these are some dynamic things that we can do with this pose. And you could actually pull this leg really back and do this. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.